All right, so if you're restoring your US1 electric trucking set, more than likely the original tires are shot. Obviously, the only thing between the vehicle and the track is the tire, so it's important. Fortunately, there's somebody who has created a silicone replacement tire. They're available on eBay. I'll put a link in the bottom below. They work great. They've been slightly modified to do the turns a little bit better, and they also inherently clean the track. As you can see here, you just take the tire and just roll it across the tape. It's hard to videotape and do it at the same time, like so, and it'll actually lift up all the junk off the tire. So depending on how many hours you run the trucks, you need to do that fairly frequently. There's two sides. This side you can tell is really shiny. That goes on the inside of the truck. And then this side goes on the outside. Highly recommend these. Lots of people have bought them. And like I said, I'll put a link in the comments in the description below.